Hey, what's up guys? This is your girl Tresey with Treseysworld, and today we are making a delicious soberistic drink just for you. Let me drop this intro and I'll be right back. Welcome back, my tree hearts. This is your soberologist Tresey with Treseysworld. Just in case you didn't know, listen, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications. We about to get up into this, y'all. We about to do this today. All right. So, gotta have this kind of glass for what we're making today. You gotta have this. This is like that old school soda drink glass. You need this, okay, for today. So I'm gonna put this right here. Today we're still working with our Ritual Rum alternative, zero proof alcohol. All right, there's no alcohol, 10 calories per serving, 17 servings in the bottle. So 17 times 10, 170 for this entire bottle, y'all. That's crazy, right? And it is listed as the best non-alcoholic spirit. All right, I don't know why this was still on there, but all right. Warm vanilla, toasted spice, and the velvety decadence of dark rum without the alcohol or calories. So whether you're driving, dieting, training, making a baby, staying up late, getting up early, or just have to do, or just have, blank to do is what it says, you can still enjoy a great cocktail. So we're going to be using this today. All right. So y'all want to know what we're making? You can guess from this. Yeah, we're making a soberistic root beer float. I know, but you ain't had one like this, okay? So let me go ahead and get everything together, move some stuff out the way so you guys can see what we're doing today, and we all good. Okay, y'all, so this is gonna be real interesting because I'm trying to do this in a different way, okay? Because I have to put my little spin on it, my little flavor in it. All right, so I'm doing something a little different. So we have the Virgil Zero Sugar root beer. So this is about to be a low-calorie root beer float that you can enjoy without the calories. Now, I've never made this before, so we're gonna see how it's gonna work. But this is what we're working with. So root beer, 0 calories. Did I say 0 calories? 0 calories, 0 sugar. Virgil's root beer. Now, I'm not big in dairy. I'm lactose intolerant, big time. So I'm going to use the vanilla bean almond milk as my substitute for ice cream. And then we have the So Delicious dairy-free whipped cream, because you have to have whipped cream, right? Now we're going to put a little spin on it. We're going to put a little bit of spin on ours. I'm so excited, as y'all can see. We're going to drop a little tart cherry organic. I can't say it. We're going to drop a little organic tart cherry juice in there, okay? This is the only thing that really had calories is going up in here. And it's organic too. All right, and then of course, just to give it that little grown up flavor, we're going to put a little bit of Ritual Rum alternative. Listen, if you drink alcohol, you want to put the real thing in there, that's up to you. Do what you need to do, boo. But for us, we keeping it soberistic. Y'all see that? See that sign? Soberistic. All right, so what I'm going to start with is our root beer. I'm doing this all in the glass, y'all. All in the glass. I'm going to go ahead and pour the root beer in there. I'm just going to do like half for right now. I'll probably add some more, but I just need to know how much we can get in there. It's root beer. Let's go ahead and fill it up. Not fill it up, but all right. We want to leave a little room to put some rum in there. Rum alternative. Ah, gotcha. Got him. Let me go ahead and open this up. I love this top because you can just put it right back on when you're done. Like some drinks, you pull that cork out. Ain't no putting it back in. Okay, we're gonna put just a little bit in here. just so we can taste it. Y'all wanna know how much? I don't know. According to how you fit, about 2 ounces. I say that all the time. All right, this is our secret. This is our secret. Shh. Listen, if you can have cherry Dr. Pepper, cherry Coke, cherry this, cherry Pepsi, whatever, you can have a little bit cherry in your root beer float. I'm just saying. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit in there. Not too much, because this is rich. See that redness going on. Just a little bit, according to your taste. If you need to sip and taste it, do it. It's so buttery right now. So buttery. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this in there. All right. We're gonna put this to the side. Hope my shirt didn't come up. Gonna put a little bit more. That's about all we're gonna get up in there. All right. We might have too much drink in there. My ice cream has melted some. Excuse us. But I'm gonna put, I don't even have a scooper. I'm just doing it with this. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Y'all, this about, and this is, did I say what flavor? Vanilla bean almond milk, 365 Whole Foods, non-dairy frozen yogurt. Ooh. Come on. Ooh, and it's doing what it's supposed to do, y'all. Y'all know when you be drinking root beer floats, you have to drizzle down a little bit. That makes it, I don't know why, when it drips out the cup, I just be like, yes, that's it. So, all right. Y'all know this whipped cream about to make it spill over, but we want that. This is root beer float. That's how we do it with root beer floats. You ever been to the store? Well, I don't know if you ever went to, like, who said, do they have A&Ws anymore? But anyways, A&W, where they fix your root beer float and it kind of like bubbles over. That's what we want. I had to put some down though, so there'll be sweetness all over them. All right, this is our dairy-free whipped cream. Y'all, this is like, is this vegan? Did I just make a vegan root beer float? I just know I used dairy-free. Not only dairy-free, it's like soy, it's made with soy for the ice cream. Almond milk. This is made with soy. No, this is made with coconut. Coconut whipped cream. Whipped topping made with coconut. With coconut oil. This whipped topping. And then we have our Virgil's Zero Sugar root beer, which I looked up and they said it is vegan. I don't know. But then we have our Ritual rum, so I'm not sure. Rum might not be vegan, but our rum alternative. I keep saying it. All right, I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on top. This is whipped cream. And I ain't even do nothing cute with it. Now it's about to really, okay. All right, before I do this, let me put some napkins around. I'm just doing this, y'all. Look, okay. That ain't the prettiest thing you ever see. We gotta put the cherry on there, and you could get the whipped cream to come out that way, but since it's, this kind, it doesn't do that. Ooh. I just want to taste it. I'm just like, shit. Look at that spillage. Love it. Your float, y'all. Okay, y'all, so it looks good, right? It looks pretty. But now it's time to taste and see. Okay, we about to taste this. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do myself. So I'm gonna use a straw for right now. I have a spoon because you gotta get in there. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't want to eat it. I don't want to look at that. Okay, y'all. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get into it. Y'all know you gotta drink a root beer float like this. See my luscious. Ooh, y'all, come on. Come on. It's low calories for sure. Root beer is 0 calories. Ritual 0 calories. Cherry juice, it's organic. Tart cherry juice, very low in calories. This is so good. I'm telling y'all. Oh my God. It's like a dessert and a drink all at the same time. I don't know what to do. So, I don't know if I should take a spoon and scoop it or let's see, let me take some of this vegan ice cream. Really? I'm gonna stir it all together. Let's see. Ooh, look, it's pink now. That's from the tea. If you stir it all together, it looks like a strawberry shake. Oh, this dessert, y'all. Oh, y'all, this is so good. I can't tell y'all how good this is. Y'all know when if something messed up, I'm gonna tell you. But this is good. This is so good. I don't think it's vegan because Ritual does have honey and veganism does not include honey, I believe. So, but it's definitely vegetarian. I'll tell you that much. Wow. Just for the record, I'm not vegan, but I do eat a lot of vegan foods. This is more vegetarian because it does have a little bit of honey. Tupelo honey, it says. Let me use the rest of this root beer I have in here. Might as well drink it up. God, it's so good. I'm thinking about the kids. I know my nephews will love this. Well, my nephew, I'm not sure about the oldest one, if he would like it, but he's very particular on the things he eats right now. You know, how they get when they get a certain age, get really opinionated, but he's growing on up on us. He's so cute. And with the baby, he'll be doing more. This is so good. Anyway, that's it for this drink, y'all. I'm sorry to just be, I know y'all want some. Make y'all some. Make you some. Tag me. Soberistic on Instagram. Show me what you did. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those notifications. Comment. Tell me what you think. Have you tried Ritual? Do you like it? I don't know. Tell me something. All right? This has been your soberologist, Tresey with Treseysworld. Listen, guys, go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you dream of doing, whatever it is you want to do, go out, do it, grab your soberistic drink along the way, and be great today. To the face, and God will.